Shalum, beloved daughter, worthy of wholeness. Breathe deeply. Today, we courageously open the chambers of our hearts to Yahuwah's healing light. We release the burdens of past hurts and choose the liberating path of forgiveness, making room for His complete restoration. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of surrender and courageous release, daily for 21 days to walk in genuine freedom. One, Yahuwah is close to the brokenhearted. I openly receive His healing touch in my deepest wounds. 2. As I choose to forgive those who have wronged me, I am delivered from the prison of bitterness. 3. The wounds of my past are healed by Yahush's stripes. I am made whole in His sight. 4. I release the need to hold on to offense, for Yahuwah has forgiven me a far greater debt. 5. Though my father or mother forsake me, Yahuwah Himself receives, adopts, and comforts me. 6. I cast all my shame and guilt upon Yahuwah, for He has removed them as far as the east is from the west. 7. My heart is no longer a stone of resentment, but is made soft and responsive by the Ruah Ha'Qadash. 8. I choose to walk in compassion, just as my Father in the Shamayim is compassionate and forgiving toward me. 9. The Ruah of rejection has no place in me, for Yahuwah has called me by name, and I am His. 10. Today I step out of the shadow of my past and into the new beginning Yahuwah has prepared for me. 'Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and continue to walk the path of liberation. Overcome the enemy's accusations with forgiveness, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH